Okay, let's start my introduction with the Movies API app. So let me share my screen first. I've already made the Movies API running at 8080 port and the Movies app running at 3000. As you can see, if the user do not log in, some of those pages are not be able to visit, such as the actors page and also the home page and also the upcoming page. So let's sign in the system with an account that was stored in the MongoDB first, which is user1 and test1, T-E-S-T, test1. Log in. As you can see, once we have already logged in the system, the website will directly jump to the previous page you try to access. And let's visit the actors page and also the home page. You can see their contents. And now we can also try to sign up a new account, sign out the system first, and sign up another account. Let's call it user3 test3 and test3. Register, and the page will jump to login page, and you can use the account you have just registered to log in the system. User3 test3 login. Yeah, it has success, and you are now logged in as user3. So that's the integration part. Now we can go back to Postman to verify some APIs request. These are the APIs page. At first, the get command will jump to the default page, which is 8080. It will show the title and a header. So let's start it with the user. API users to get all the users that were stored in the system. You can see user1 and user2 and user3 that we have just registered a second ago. The system can also update the user's detailed information. So if we change, we get the ID of user2 and try to modify its password to 123456 from test2 to 123456, and let's post it. Oh, not post, it was put because it was update. It shows the user updated successfully, and if we try to delete another user, such as the user3 we just registered, we can register it by its username and delete, send, and it promotes that the user deletion successful. And we try to re-get the user's list and see what happens. User1 still there, and user2, the password has already been modified into 123456, and user3 has disappeared. So all of those are successful. And users are also have other attributes, that's favorites, likes, and the watch list, which stores their interested movies, TVs, and actors. So let's try to get a list of movies to get an get a valid movie ID. So we can use this one, ID. The name is Spider-Man No Way Home. And users. User 1. And his FAVOU favorites. Because we haven't added any favorite movies to his list, so we can get an empty string. And now we try to post one. The ID is copy the ID we just copy and post this one to the favorites list and send. And you can see it has already successfully in his interested list, which is very similar to the likes to add favorite actors and also the watch list to add TVs. So let's back to the movies part. At first, the basic function is get all the movies stored in the list. You can see a list of movies. And also, if we try to visit this one, Spider-Man No Way Home, we can get its detailed information. What if we try to update the information of this movie? So maybe we can try modify its title to this one and post it. Oh, sorry, not post, put. Yeah, you can see the movie has been updated successfully. And let's re-get this movie. See its name, its title from Spider-Man No Way Home to question marks. Also, a movie can be deleted through the delete request and send, and the movie deletion successfully. And now we re-get this movie. Yes, you can see the movie we are requested has not exist. Also, let's try to modify another movie. Actually, you can add your reviews to a specified movie. This one, the Resident Evil. See his detailed information, and also to get its reviews. Let's try another one. Oh, sorry, I just lost it, the slash. You can see the review of it are shown here. Also, we can also add a review to this movie. Author or Alice. And write some content. There's also a verification using the regular expressions that the content of this review can no less than 10 characters. So let's start with a shorter one. 1, 2, 3, and post it. Yeah, it says the review content is too short. And what about a lot longer one? And repost it. Yeah, it says it has been successfully posted. And we get the reviews of this movie. You can see they are here, and also the created time and a generated ID. So that's the movies part. And what about the TV's part? TVs, get all the TVs. The TV's part also includes functions which is very similar as the movies, and also the user can add reviews to it. So let's try this one, TVs/reviews. Get its review. All of the reviews are here. So we can try to add a new one. Also the content, which will be about Bob and hello world, and post it to the reviews of this TV. Yeah, successfully created a new review and regards this. You can see here, Bob gets a review content is hello world. Also another roles is the actors. Very basic one, get all the actors and get a specific actor according to its ID to get its detailed information. And also the genres API to get all the genres. Besides, one thing is very important is all of those data are loaded from TMDB API to MongoDB installed instead of those local storage files. So that's all my introduction to this assignment. So thank you. I'm going to end the video.